In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps in Canva designs. Whether you're creating an event invitation, a travel guide, or a business flyer, embedding a map can make your design both practical and professional. Let's dive in. With your design open, look at the left-hand toolbar. Scroll down until you see the Embed option, then click it. This tool lets you insert online elements into your Canva project. From the Embed menu, choose Google Maps. This feature allows you to bring a live, interactive map directly into your design. Now, head over to Google Maps in your browser, search for your location, then click Share and copy the link provided. Switch back to Canva. You'll see a pencil icon on the map placeholder. Click it, then paste your copied Google Maps link into the box. After pasting your link, click Done. Your map will now be embedded directly inside your design, ready to customize alongside your text, graphics, or branding. This is especially useful for invitations, business cards, or travel itineraries where guests need quick directions. Instead of plain text, your audience gets an interactive guide. And that's it. You've just learned how to embed Google Maps into your Canva designs. It's a simple feature that adds both style and functionality.